Good afternoon, children. Previous classes we understood about magnetic lines or forces, poles of the magnet, and then magnetic field and all. But today we are concentrating on magnet, the poles of the magnet. One is south pole, another one is north pole. The ends of the magnet we are going to call it as poles. The one end is south, another end is north. Usually it will be there like that. Even if you take any magnet like this, so one end is north, another end is south. Usually the north they are going to mark like this with a dot. They are marking with dot, so that we can easily understand. We can make out, see, both the magnets are having dots here. This is north pole for both the magnet and this is the south pole. The future classes, so I will explain how to find out the north and south pole of the magnet, how to identify the north and south pole of the magnet. So today, we are doing the like poles and unlike poles. Like poles means already I told you, north, we are going to call it as like poles. You can easily understand, north, and south. So this we are going to call it as like poles. If you are going to change the poles, unlike poles, that is north, south, and again south, north, south, north. So some properties are there for magnet. So unlike poles attracts. One north pole and one south pole is there. Usually it will attract. It's going to act like a single magnet. It acts like a single magnet. See, it acts like a single magnet like this. So this shows the magnets are going to attract. That shows these two poles are unlike poles. One is north, another one is south. Unlike poles. Suppose if I am going, change like this. See like this. It's going to repel these like poles. See, you can observe here, children. This mark, already I told you, these two are north. We can identify with the marks. Please observe here. See here. It's rippling. This shows unlike poles repels, unlike poles attract. So that is the another concept we can understand. See here. This is rippling. If I am going to change, see, if I am changing this, it's attracting. Move this, it's rippling. So we can easily understand that the poles of the magnets. See, I have one more experiment. The magnetic field, the previous class I told you. So I have one safety pin is here and I have a magnet. Please observe here. If I am going to bring near to this, see, how it is moving. Please observe. How magnet is going to move the same way. The pin is also moving. This shows near to this. See, in between this gap is there, but the magnetic field is there. See how it is standing. That you can easily observe. See here. In air, standing on air. That you can observe. Just a minute. I'm going to make it. See. It's moving in atmospheric air. Sometimes some black magic or something like that, they are going to do like this only. Okay, in air, it's standing like that. They are going to keep some magnet inside that, magnetic stick or something like that. So with that stick, if he is going to do, in atmosphere only, it starts moving. So that is the science. See, for unlike poles attracts, like poles repels. I have another experiment. This, we have to make one cord like this with the corrugated cardboard and 4 wheels, ordinary wheels, and 2 rubber bands, and you have to take 2 bar magnets. One magnet you have to fix here, one magnet you have to fix on this. So another magnet, see here, if I am going to bring, starts moving. See, if I am going, see, it's attracting. See, this we are going to call it as a magnetic cord. With this we can easily understand. See, unlike poles, these two are like poles are repelling. It's applying the force here. See here, it's creating force, not applying. It's creating force here. See, the force is going to create here. So now, if I am going to make it like this, unlike poles, it will attract. With this, we can easily understand the unlike poles are going to attract, the like poles are going to repel. We can easily understand. The future classes, I am going to show you how to prepare a magnet, temporary magnets. And then why magnet is going to stand on north-south direction. That also we are going to give you some experiments. Thank you, children.